I'm going to show you how to organise specific delivery locations within a wedding or event. So I'm inside Rose Jones and David Green's wedding and I'm in the delivery tab currently. So I've entered in all the items and I now need to sort where those items are going to be delivered to on the day. You can see that we've got some delivery locations already listed at the top. We've got the venue that's been added into event detail there, and then we've also got the client address and name there as well. If I want to add in another location, so for example, if I need to deliver buttonholes to the mother of the groom's house before the wedding, I can add a location here. So I'm going to use the postcode lookup. And save that, and then that lists here ready for me to allocate items. You can see here I've got items to allocate, so I've got all the items that I've entered in with the quantity, how many are currently allocated and how many are left to allocate. So I haven't allocated any items to any delivery locations currently. I'm going to go to the bottom and select allocate items. I'm going to choose the venue. I'm going to put in a delivery time there, and then I want all of the foliage garlands to be delivered to that venue on the wedding day. So if I select the foliage garland, you'll see the items to allocate are 10 and then there's none left to allocate. And then I'm going to click allocate. And now Redworth Hall has changed to the dark pink, and you can see that I've got the foliage garlands there and there's 10 of them being delivered to that address. I'm now going to allocate items going to Rose Jones at West End. So I'm going to click allocate items, select Rose Jones at West End, and then I want the bride's posy, I want all of the bridesmaids' posies, and then I want one gents buttonhole. So I'm going to select one there, and you can see I'm going to allocate one, which means there's 6 left to allocate. And I'm going to add in the delivery time of 10 o'clock and allocate. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going to allocate the rest of the buttonholes to Forecroft Road. So allocate items, these are going to David Green at Forecroft Road. And select the gents flowers buttonhole. So I've selected that because I want the rest of them to go so it knows I've got 6 left. And then I'm going to allocate. Okay, so I've now got my list of delivery locations with the items that are going to each place, and you can see underneath all of these lines have turned green, meaning that everything's allocated and nothing's been left. So I now want to add a delivery note that's going to appear on my delivery list to one of these locations. So let's have a look at Redworth Hall. You can see I've now got a little edit button, so if I needed to edit anything I can select that there, or I can click on the little van and I can add in a delivery instruction. So deliver to Great Hall, key behind reception, and save instruction, and then that instruction has saved there so I can refer back to it if I need to. Once I've organised all my deliveries, I'm going to save the event and then go across to the delivery tab in the left-hand menu. If I then change the date to the 21st, the day of the wedding, I can see that I've got the 3 delivery drops for that same wedding here. I can then drag and drop them into a van with my gift and funeral orders for that day, or if they need to be on a separate route, I can put them in a separate delivery van ready to go. And then I can do really helpful things like choose the shortest route, so Strelitzia will auto route things for you, and then your driver can log in and Google Maps will take him on his way.